The camera industry is hiding a massive secret right now, and if you are planning to buy a new camera anytime soon, you need to stop what you are doing and listen very carefully. For months, the photography community has been completely blinded by the hype of flagships and mid-range hybrids. But behind closed doors, Nikon has been quietly preparing something that is about to completely break the market. It is the ghost in Nikon's lineup. The camera everyone is whispering about, but nobody has truly unmasked until now. We are talking about the highly anticipated, heavily classified Nikon Z7 Mark III. If you think you know what a high-resolution camera can do, you are completely wrong. What Nikon is doing with this body is not just a standard generational upgrade. It is a direct attack on Sony, a warning shot to Canon, and a massive shift that will make current $3,000 cameras look ancient within months. The leaks coming out of the supply chain right now are absolutely wild, pointing to a monster that bridges the gap between medium format detail and sports camera speed. But why is Nikon keeping it so quiet? Why did they launch other bodies first and leave this one in the shadows? Because this camera is dangerous for their competition. And honestly, it might even be dangerous for Nikon's own flagship sales. If you buy a camera today without knowing what the Z7 Mark III is bringing to the table, you are going to experience massive buyer's remorse before the year ends. Stick with me, because we are about to dive deep into the verified engineering leaks, the sensor technology that should not even exist yet, and the exact reasons why this camera is about to become the absolute king of high-resolution photography. To truly understand what makes this upcoming body so terrifying for other brands, we have to look at the massive problem with current high-megapixel cameras. Right now, if you want massive detail for landscapes, studio work, or commercial printing, you are forced to make a painful compromise. You either buy a slow, bulky body that crawls when it comes to autofocus, or you spend a fortune on a massive flagship that feels like carrying a brick around your neck. Nikon saw this weakness in the market and decided to exploit it. The core strategy behind the Z7 Mark III is simple yet brutal. Give professionals full flagship power, extreme detail, and modern AI capabilities, but pack it into a sleek, agile body that does not require a second mortgage to own. Let us look at the brain of this beast, because the sensor leaks are causing serious panic at Sony headquarters. For a long time, the rumors were split. Some said Nikon would play it safe with a 45-megapixel sensor, while others hinted at a massive leap. The latest, most credible intelligence from the manufacturing lines reveals that Nikon is pushing the boundaries further than anyone expected. We are looking at an accelerated, back-illuminated CMOS sensor that completely reimagines pixel architecture. Some internal test units are pushing a mind-blowing 90 megapixels with advanced pixel packing technology, while the primary production target settled into an insanely dense 60 to 67 megapixel sweet spot. But it is not just about the raw number of megapixels. Anyone can cram pixels onto a piece of silicon. The real magic is how those pixels handle light. Nikon has engineered a revolutionary cross-pixel superpixel packing system specifically for low-light performance. This means you get the jaw-dropping, razor-sharp detail of a medium-format camera during the day. But when the sun goes down, the camera intelligently groups pixels to maintain flawless,